6 ways food is influencing consumer trends. During the International Dairy Deli Bakery Association's IDDBA 2024 conference held last month in Houston, Heather Prock, VP of Education and Industry Relations for IDDBA, outlined the association's annual guiding trends. Guiding trend number 1: food influences mind, body, and spirit. In the past few years, the idea of wellness has transcended traditional views of what it means to be healthy. Consumers today think of health and wellness as a lifestyle, and food plays a huge role in that. Guiding trend number 2: food influences sourcing, sustainability, and salary. In an era where inflation and the environment take up equal real estate in consumers' minds, food is threaded and often intertwined through both issues. Guiding trend number 3: food influences technology of today and for tomorrow. From food science to AI-enabled machines, the relationship between food and technology is not only growing, but it's also coming to the forefront of commercial food production. Guiding trend number 4: food influences the young, youngish, and young at heart. With 4 different generations contributing to the global economy, it's critical for bakery producers to understand the drivers, whether physical, financial, or emotional, behind each generation's purchasing decisions and specific food choices. Guiding trend number 5: food influences community, convenience, and cash flow. As consumers look at the idea of wellness more holistically, they also see more than ever that food sustains them socially as well as physiologically. While many consumers are making food choices to impact their overall health, oftentimes in lieu of expensive or unaffordable medicines, they also translate those needs into their family and community gatherings as well. Guiding trend number 6: food influences culture, cuisine, and culinary explosions. Today, people have more access to global experiences than at any other time in history. When considering the impact of consumer trends on product development, it's important for bakery brands to think circularly rather than in one direction or another. And always remember the consumer at the center of the circle.